If you have acne, Ery Swab, Medicated can help reduce the number of pimples. It contains erythromycin, an antibiotic that stops the growth of bacteria. This product also contains alcohol, which helps to dry up extra oils from the skin. For best results, apply the medication to the affected areas once or twice daily. It's best to use it at the same time each day for the most effectiveness. This medication is meant to be applied only on the skin. First, make sure to clean and dry the affected area as instructed. Then, use a medicated pad to gently wipe the area, following your doctor's directions, usually twice a day. Depending on the size of the area, you may need more than one pad. Remember to use each pad only once and then throw it away. After using the medication, be sure to wash your hands. It's important not to use this medication more often or for a longer period than directed. Using it more frequently won't clear up your condition any faster, but it may increase the risk of side effects. For the best results, use this medication regularly at the same times each day. Also, be careful to avoid getting this medication in your eyes, nose, or mouth. If it does happen, rinse thoroughly with water. If your condition doesn't improve or gets worse, be sure to inform your doctor. It may take up to 3 months of regular use before you see the full benefits of this medication. If you experience burning, redness, itching, or changes in your skin such as dryness, peeling, or oiliness, it's normal, especially in the first few days as your body gets used to the medication. You may also experience eye irritation. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist immediately. Keep in mind that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. In rare cases, using this medication may lead to other types of skin infections, such as fungal or bacterial infections. If you notice any unusual skin irritation or other symptoms, contact your doctor. A severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Ery Swab, Medicated, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to erythromycin, other antibiotics, or have any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Before using this medication, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know about your medical history. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known if this medication passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Ery Swab, Medicated, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions, as they can affect how the medication works and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One specific product that may interact with this medication is disulfiram. Always consult with your healthcare provider for the best advice on how to take Ery Swab, Medicated, and to ensure it is safe for you. If this medication is accidentally swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the US, residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It is important not to share this medication with others. For optimal results, this medication is frequently used as part of a complete skin care regimen. It's important to follow the advice of your doctor. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at the regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Ery Swab, medicated at room temperature, and keep it away from heat and open flame, as it is flammable. Always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this properly. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.